You know, that's just doing too much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about me putting my 27 piece in my head. Oh my god, this hair just came on the market. It just got on stock. Like, I really been waiting on a 27 piece in a box like this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But don't get me wrong, this is, you know, my top favorite hair. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using, and this is a Zury HOT RED hair, and I got it in the hot red because, as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I wanted to put red in my head, and I am so excited to get a red. Like, it'll be my first time putting red in my head. Well, I did put burgundy in my head, but that's not a red. Like, you know, I wanted to have red in my head, and I also wanted to do my eyebrows red because I wanted red hair. Okay, and this is tangle free, so if you guys are like wondering, like, is that hair really rough, because as you guys know, they do throw you guys hair and be like, okay, well, this is some good hair. You know how when you at the store and they throw you guys hair and then you like, I don't know about that, I don't know, because their hair looks really messed up and it's kind of cheap. But no, this is some good hair. And I also did purchase some hair like this, but I didn't purchase a 27 piece. They do have other types of hair like this. I got some hair that's in the ultra Zury hair, and it was like curly and you can like wet it and everything. And this is some good hair. Like, I'm giving it to them. This is some good hair, so I can't wait to open this up. And they just put this out on the market, so we're gonna try this hair out and see how this is. Now, I did go in and get this hair in a red because I never got a red before, as you guys know. I just said that, but I want to see. They also got this hair, they also got a cap and a shower cap. I call it a shower cap because I don't know, like, I don't know what a plastic cap or whatever, you know, whatever you want to call it. I call it a shower cap because, you know, that's just what it is to me. When I get in the shower, I like to put the cap on my head. But enough said, I want to be just putting this in my head. As you guys know, if you do want to wash this hair, all of the instructions will be on the back of this. So I don't wash my hair. I don't wash my hair. When I do get it out the package, you know, that's just doing too much. I just like to put it in my head. Now, if it's like a bundles or something, I'm gonna wash my hair because you don't know. But I'm going to be going in and just putting this in my head. So let's get right into this video, because this ultra is where it's at. Okay, I love this hair because I love how the bundles are really thick. They're not thin at all. You don't see any thin spots up in here. I love that about this. It's really thick. So yeah, and that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to just go in, sorry guys, I'm going to go in and use my medium one. As you guys know, you know me, I don't like to use the smaller one, and that's the one that's all the way down at the bottom. I don't like to use that one because I don't want it to look fake. Okay, I don't want my hair to look fake, and I also want it to be full. So we're gonna go and just start off with the medium one and then work our way in. So let's just get into this because I'm ready to put this on. I look a hot mess right now, so I really want to put this on. Sorry guys, my shirt keep rising up. It's really soft and it's really silky, so I'm actually loving that about this hair. Like, when I rub my hands to it, it's just a little soft. Like, I want to just do that. It has a really strong smell to it, so make sure you guys be careful with this hair. But that's how any hair is, like, you know. But so let's just go on and put the red in, because y'all, I'm really excited about this hair. Should I start in the back or should I just stay like this so that you guys can see me? I think I want to stay like this. See, look at that. This is gonna be so pretty on me. I never tried red, but I really want to try it out because Valentine's Day here. I don't have a Valentine. Do y'all? Do y'all got a Valentine? I really want to know. Comment down below if you guys got a Valentine, because I don't. I just want to eat my strawberries. You know what? I love chocolate strawberries. If you guys don't know, I love chocolate strawberries and it's my favorite thing. But I don't like chocolate. That's the thing. Like, I don't like chocolate, and that's just that. I think I'm gonna turn around because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing in the back. So I think when I put this strip in, I'm gonna turn and face the back because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing, so that you guys can, you know what I'm doing. So when I put this one in, I'm just gonna turn facing it back. I think I'm gonna do a challenge and see if I can do this without looking in, in the mirror and everything. I really want to do a challenge by doing it with the 27 piece and then do the challenge like that. I want to see if I don't need, like, if I don't have to use a mirror at all. By looking. I honestly couldn't wait to this hair came in this brand because I love Ultra hair in the gold pack. I'm really in love. Ooh, ooh. Look at that bag. See, this is how I like it. I love it sitting on my neck like that. So next I'm going to go in and use my larger bundle, and this is just gonna be that. Now if you guys know me, I love to put my bangs right here in front of my head, because I don't like to cover this part and put it right there, because that gives me this track of how I want my bangs. So I usually just put the longer ones in first. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and do this, and then I'm just gonna work my way around and start at the top. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut all of these out, and I'll just see you guys when I'm done. So that's what I like about these closure pieces, because this is really thick and it's really silky. So that's what I like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off right here. As you can see, I already cut it off right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm going to put it in the top of my head. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and I'll be right back with you guys. So as you can see, this is how I wanted it, and I'm going to be doing just like this. And I don't put that much glue on my closure because I don't want my closure to sink onto the tracks. So I just like to put a little bit on there like this. Okay, so now that I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in a style. I don't know what type of style I want to use today, But ooh, this is really long. This is really, really long. I like it. I like my spiky spice. Y'all know I like my spiky spice. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I don't want to, you know, I don't want to blot out, like, you know, I don't want to bore in it out. This is the finished look. Yeah, that's just how I like my bag. I like it really, really full. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit off. I don't know. If I see the video, I'm not gonna touch it right now. I'm not gonna touch it. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I am so excited about my Valentine look. Are you guys liking this? Like, I love the red on me. I love the red. Now I think I want to start wearing red. Now I want to see how long this is going to go, as it being silky and, you know, the texture and everything. I want to see how long this go. So I'll probably keep this up for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, I'll probably keep this up for about 3 weeks, and I'm going to take it down. I am going to give you guys an update on this hair. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys comment down below. And if you love the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and show me some love, because you guys are my family. I love talking to you guys, and I love showing you guys different hairstyles and everything. But this right here is a Valentine look.